working into splits. This is something that has taken me years to accomplish. So don't expect to do this over a weekend, but by doing this series and sequence consistently can help you at any age to open up into some splits. Let's begin. First and foremost, welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior, your host of this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and then find the front of your mat. So you're gonna come into a chair pose. Bend the knees, squeeze the inner thighs together, and reach the arms up overhead. Inhale, 3, 2, keep the navel in, and 1, arms by your side, arms on up. Inhale, lift the heels this time. 3, 2, and 1, drop the heels, arms by your side. One more, inhale, arms up, lift the heels. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, take a forward fold. Keep a soft bend in the knees if you like. Inhale to a long spine, and exhale, forward folding. Step back, downward facing dog. Bent knees, hips up towards the sky, start to pedal the legs out. Keep an extension through the spine, start to open up the back of the legs. 3, 2, keep breathing. Now you're gonna lift the right leg up, come into a 3-legged dog. So as you bend the right knee, stack the right hip over the left, and start to extend through the left leg. Breathe in, and exhale. Simply switch sides. So now the left leg lifts, bend the left knee, open the hip up. 3, 2, and you're going to step the left foot between the hands. You're about 2/3 of the way up. Both legs will extend all the way. Pull that left hip back. Inhale, long spine, and exhale, maybe begin to forward fold over the left leg. You should feel this in the back of the left leg pretty strongly. Breathe long in. Inhale, extend the spine. Step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, forward fold. We're just gonna switch sides, so step your left foot back. Here, the left heel lowers down. It's about a 45-degree angle. Both legs extend. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, if there's space, you can fold. 3, 2, inhale, extend. And exhale, we're going to plant the palms, come back, downward facing dog. Settle into your downward dog. And then inhale, shift forward to a plank. Lower the knees in this first one, low push-up. Come to an upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Lift the right leg high, inhale. Draw your knee to nose, exhale. Hold here, 3, 2. Inhale, extend the leg. Now here, step the right foot between your hands. You can lower the left knee down towards the mat. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. You're gonna grab the left wrist with your right hand, lift up and over to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, arms down by your side. Shoulders roll down away from the ears. Maybe the hips sink down a little bit further. This one's more of a back bend than anything. 3, 2, and lower the hands down. You're gonna switch sides. So find that downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. Full exhale. Lift your left leg high, inhale. Let's bring your knee to nose, exhale. Hold here, 3, 2. Inhale, extend the leg. And exhale, step the left foot between your hands. Here, the right knee lowers down. Arms reach up overhead. Grab the right wrist with your left hand. Lift up and over to the left. So all this body awareness too helps with everything in life. Back on up. Arms now come down by your side, shoulders roll down away from the ears, back bending here. Open up the chest. This one helps with your posture, confidence, self-esteem. And yes, we're working into splits. Good, lower the hands back down. You're gonna step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale to a long spine. And exhale, forward fold. Come back into chair. Bending the knees, reach the arms up overhead. Hold here, 3, 2, and rise all the way up to standing, arms down by your side. Work into a different sequence. Arms on up, inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Step your left foot back. Come into warrior 2. Back heel lowers down, arms come out wide by your side. Fingertips reaching out. Lift the right heel away from the mat. You should feel this all engaged here. And then go ahead and reverse your warrior. Reach the right arm up behind you. Good, and then lower that heel down, both legs straighten. Just the right arm all the way forward, come into triangle. Your hand can come to your shin or to the floor perhaps. And then lower your left hand down towards the floor. Both palms plant, step back, downward facing dog. Knees can lower or take it into a low push-up. Upward facing dog to downward facing dog. Between the hands, back heel lowers down. Warrior 2. And here the left heel lifts up. Reach long through the fingertips. Gaze is forward. 3, 2, and reverse. Flip the left palm up. Your right hand is above or below that back knee. Then we come into triangle. Left leg extends. Left arm reaches forward. And then lower your right hand down towards the mat. You're going to step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, forward fold. Again, inhale, halfway lift. You're going to step your left foot back into a forward fold, wide-legged forward fold. Toes will turn slightly in. Inhale, extend the spine. And then keeping extended legs and spine, go where your body allows. Maybe the palms come down, maybe go a little bit further. Breathe here, 3, 2, and inhale, extend. Take your hands to the front of the mat. Drop your left knee down towards the mat. Now as we start to really work into some hamstring work, you wiggle that right foot forward. So as you extend the right leg, your hips are stacked over your left knee. Extend the spine forward, inhale. And exhale, folding forward. Half split. Three, 2, then back out. You're going to move your right foot towards the left side of the mat. This is a bit of a pigeon pose. So as you come onto the right shin, the outside of the right shin, right, you want to make sure there's no pain in your right knee. Hands to the top of your right knee. This is really about a back bend. You're open this hip flexor here. Deep breath in. Full exhale. Inhale. One more. The left leg will come forward. As we extend the left leg out in front, inhale, extend. Half split, exhale, fold if there's space. 3, 2, and then the same that we did on the other side, we're going to do on this side. So the left foot moves over towards the right. Pigeon pose on the left side. You're going to wrap the right thigh down towards the mat. Inhale, lengthen up tall through the spine. Pull that left hip back. This one's a back bend, remember, so you can stay here, lifting up through the chest. Breathe here. Now come back into our half split on the left side to work our way into our splits. Pop on back up. From a half split, square the hips. Inhale, lift on up, lengthen the spine. And then wiggle that foot forward, side to side to side. Ease your way into your full split. So you're going to contract the legs in towards one another. Keep that right thigh down towards the mat. Inhale, lengthen, and then ease your way into the split. Keep squaring the hips. Use your hands. You can use blocks underneath. Breathe here. Make sure you're breathing the entire time. 2. Eventually, maybe coming all the way down towards the mat, but let this be gradual. This took me many, many, many months, if not years. Sweep that right leg out in front of you. Give yourself a moment before switching to the other side. So, bringing your right foot forward first, coming into that half split to begin. And then same as before, begin to wiggle your leg forward. Here, the left thigh wraps down towards the mat. Use your fingertips, or again, if you have the blocks, hips square forward, lengthen up tall through the spine, most importantly. And again, you can stay here or gradually ease your way into the full split. Again, this might be over a long period of time. And as you're breathing here, stay for as long as you'd like. When you're ready, lean your weight to your right hip, sweep that left leg out in front of you. Now I like to cross over the legs to internally rotate the hips, which we've opened up a lot in this. So cross your right leg over your left, just like you were seated, and then just move your knees, legs side to side. This helps to ease up the external rotation that we did in our split. And then just switch sides. Now it's the left leg over the right, right and left, right and left, right and left. And then uncross the legs, coming up to standing. So you are one step closer on your split conquest. Again, consistency will be the key to achieving that. You can do this at any age, but go slow, go mindfully, and stay consistent with your practice. Again, subscribe to this channel. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. More to come here. Thank you for joining me here at the Park Terrace Hotel in Bryant Park, New York, New York. Some incredible views. Check out the other video that I did from here as well to lengthen, lean out, and get taller. See you soon in an upcoming video.